Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to add location to any video on iPhone. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can add locations to your videos on your iPhone. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to just open your photos and then select the video you want to add your location. And once the video is selected, just swap up over here, and once you swap up you can see add location. Just click on add location over here and then search for the location. So you can add the location. Once you search for the location, it will come over here and you add the location, and now you can see the location over here. So you can see the location is now added over here, and that's it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video